I just started streaming. Bring me your plate and I will. Bring me your plate, Harry, son. I'm streaming live. Bring me your plate, please. Thank you. There you go, son. Oh, okay, we live. Hey, welcome, 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 everybody. What it do, what it does. Ah, shoot, I forgot to set the um, settings to private, so I'm public right now. But we're gonna keep it rolling. We're gonna keep it rolling. So basically, what I'm looking at right now is F sale, and I'm looking for this break above 1040 to hold, and we could go crazy. So what I would suspect now is a dip between 10 and 965. A little dip down here. Probably 965 is going to be the area to retrace. I'm going to go ahead and set an alert. I'll set it a little bit above because we know it sometimes doesn't come down and touch. But all I'm looking for is a retest of this important level here. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Maybe it just takes off. Or maybe it dips and keep going. Excuse me. That part we don't know. That's the part we're going to try to figure out. So there's F sale we're looking at. We're also going to be watching some crypto. Let me see I got to turn my phone on. Volta. What's my thoughts on Volta? Volta got the rejection. Look for that break above 1175. Then we got to play with this. We got to play with this zone here. If we get the break above 1175, look for more resistance here. So from, we'll call it 1250 to 1350, all the way to 1450. Look, and that's definitely it's tough to say all this is noise, but possibly get up here to 1450 just because we got a wick right here that definitely telling us something. So I mean, just like it's doing right here, probably retesting this high right here for support. Hold on, son. What's up, buddy? You thirsty? I'm gonna let y'all listen to a little music. I'm gonna pull up the this is Shiba Inu that we're looking at. I'm gonna let y'all watch BTC for a little bit. Not Ethereum. I don't know why we running slow. So BTC, we did get the rejection in the PRZ. So now we're just looking to see where the take profit zone is. All right, so I mean, and this could possibly just be profit takers in this section here, and we still could absolutely go grab what is that, 67.6. It could still come up here and grab 67.6. This is probably just profit takers taking a little bit of change off the table. That's Bitcoin, and then Ethereum. I don't know why it's changing my doggone screens on me. Yes, son. A squirrel at the door. You're probably looking for that acorn you took from him. Ethereum, man, it would have been a nice dip buy here. Ethereum would have been a nice dip buy. It was basically just testing this noise right here. That's all it was doing. Making sure this was still support. Add here and ride the wave. I believe the next place it may try to dip may be right here at the 161. So we'll call it 48th thou wow. Oh, I'm sorry. Fourth thou wow. 4K. 4.8K may be the next resistance area. But it's gonna do this a lot on the way up. And this is just the small fibs. Watch it. Oh, Doge. Okay, Doge. We're coming down to my PRZ, and you see it just barely stayed up above and kept from wicking it. I think it's just short sellers taking profit here. Short sellers getting out. I still think we'll get in this zone. Either wick the top of it and reverse back up, or come down here and play around for a little while. Maybe even test this B point right here. Maybe even test this B point, which is, I think, is the 50 fib. Yeah, yes indeed. So maybe a possible 27 cents. Pull back to 27 cents for Doge. And let's look at SHIB. Oh yeah, this is the one I was talking about right before I left. Don't pay no attention to these zones yet. They have not been hit. All this did was wick the so we had confluence here. I got a 200 MA along with the NFZ. So it just wicked the top of the NFZ. The 200 MA is still resistance. I believe I used the 1 hour chart. Yeah, on the crypto. The 1 hour chart is the one that I've been finding a lot of success and confluence with. So yeah, just the struggle. NFZ, a no-fly zone with the 200 MA is definitely going to be a showstopper. But looking at my candle here, I do have a doji. So this is where you got to start reading your candle plays. Son, go finish your breakfast so we can get started on your homework. I won't be on here long. I'm just updating some plays. So this is where it's important to start reading your candles at. We got a doji on the 1 hour chart. So buyers and sellers are still battling here, but I like the following candle. If we get a bullish on the hourly on the following candle, I expect more upside, and possibly we start trending toward my PRZ for SHIB. Lots of news has come out about it. It's listed on Coinbase Pro or something like that. I hear whales are buying. Unfortunately, I'm not a fundamental guy. I just read the charts. I trade price action. That's it. So if it falls out the sky, then bad news come. I'm out of there. Good news, run it up. Simple for me. Doge, not quite on the reversal yet. I'm trying to decide whether to count this a hit or not, so I'm trying to blow it up a little bit because it's so close. I don't expect them to be perfect, and I think when I was making the video, I wasn't exactly perfect making the lines. So I mean, this could be a hit, or this could be another. Yes, son. This could be forming another chart. You know, we got the reaction. We always look for that unusual reaction with a nice wick. Love that. We got a pullback, so I can chart really from XA, probably get a B point somewhere in here. and then a C point probably on this 50 fib. And again, I'm just forecasting or projecting what could happen, but you know what I'm saying? That's pretty much what it's done. Got a nice reaction, a pullback, got that B point, and then that C point here. So just following the trend. Let's go back. Volta falling out the sky. That's okay though. That's what we expect. Possibly to close this gap here. Volta possibly closing this gap, so may get a turnaround around 960. Let's look at Nvidia real quick. Nvidia still shaking up the scene. Let's get some consolidation here before our next run. That's going to be great. Son, are you going to finish your breakfast? Let's look at go-to real quick. This was on our watch list. Go-to, or what did I say, like 275 is what I was looking for a pullback. No, son, no. Go finish your breakfast so we can go get on your homework. Go find your iPad for me, please. Thank you, sir. F-sale. Still no break. I ain't got no alert set off, so we still haven't broken the 1040-ish area. In fact, let me set an alert for 1040. I'll call it 1045. I'm in no hurry to add to my position. Plenty of upside with this. So better, the farther away I am, the safer I feel. Again, probably going to take its time, but either a bounce off the $10 area or a bounce off the 950 area is what I'm anticipating, or flat out run up if it's popular enough. Nike was a surprise drop in price here. I don't want to say it caught me off guard. Bingo. So I mean, nice little recovery play, but I think I didn't expect it to fall this far below the 200 MA. So now it looks like under the 200 MA on my 15-minute chart gives me a bearish signal. So we may be able to chart this up and get in Nike for some cheaper prices. We all know it's pairing up with the metaverse industry, so definitely one to keep on your watch list. Facebook. I forgot what I text for a good pullback area. Maybe 338, maybe the 338-ish area. So if we can come down here and bounce off this 200 MA, I would definitely be looking to take a position on Facebook. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's my clue. My son is finished eating breakfast, so I got to get to work. Y'all know the rules. Family first. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla, we had all the news come out. hey, yes, exactly what I thought. I assumed, again, what I thought was they wouldn't. I mean, the company isn't too big to fail, so there's still some bearish tendencies with this. Again, I'm looking for a pullback anywhere between 1025, 900. So I'm still expecting the pullback, but I knew they wasn't just gonna let it fall out the sky under what the CEO of Tesla was saying, all those remarks. So yeah, I wouldn't. I mean, if you did sell, if you were to sell, entry point would be around 1,300 because they're calling it to go to 1,400. There's still $100 of upside on there, but if you do sell, then I would look to get back in around the $800-900 mark for Tesla. All right, fam, I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Keep your eyes on the prize. I think our plays for the day are Volta, F-Cell, Volta, F-Cell, and then the crypto plays. I know everybody's interested in Doge and SHIB and Ethereum. This Ethereum run should help Doge as well. So